Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in 10 on the RCI 29 base. Michael, got it all ready to go for you, bud. We know the goodies you got in here. Just wanted to show you a quick rundown. AM mode, RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. There's your 2 watts all the way down. 18 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 60 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 135 PEP. Alright. So let's say if let's go to sideband. Hello, 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 about 120 on sideband. Alright, my friend, we're gonna get that to you. I appreciate you, bud. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.